You said if you got above it, you're gonna open it.
Well, I did say that, and I did not. But I didn't say that I wouldn't open it if I did not get above it. So
Fair enough.
Exactly.
I'm doing it anyway.
Okay.
That's the spirit.
Okay, so you know those like professional unboxers, the guys who like do this for a living and they're really careful with it. Me,
You don't care about it.
I'm like not. I'm past that phase now. So
I'm not one of those guys.
yeah. So this is Froakie, yay! So the first starter of the set that I'm opening today. So its name is like kind of weird, I think, and it's kind of weird itself, but it has a really cool evolution. Well, Enfia doesn't think so, but I think it's cool.
Greninja?
Yeah.
Bro,
Well,
the shiny version is amazing. It's black.
I like the color.
The color is good.
No, the black version.
You don't like the eyes? His eyes are just so adorable. Look
Well,
at
that's
them.
true. The eyes are adorable. Like we can all agree that Chespin is like, what was that? What were they thinking? There was like no creativity in that one. Anyway, next up, this one is Fennekin. So
This is
Oh,
what
you
I
got
was
the
waiting
entire
for.
set.
yeah,
The magic one.
yeah, this one turns into a fairy fire type when it evolves. I have that one too. Yeah. So my plan was to like unbox the entire thing when I passed USMLE step 2. Yeah, when I passed USMLE step 2. That hasn't happened yet, so I will do like a mass unboxing when that happens. And,
But it will happen, right? So yeah, you deserve to do this now. It will happen anyway.
Aw, thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Don't postpone things just because you're waiting for something. Do them anyway.
That's right. That's right. I should do that more. And now I am
Yeah.
struggling. I'm struggling with this box. Okay, wait. I don't want to hurt myself. I shall be careful. I won't look at the screen and I will look at what I'm trying to cut here. Boop.
Just stab it.
Yeah, just tear it. That's right. Okay, torn. You know, when I was a kid, I would always cut myself while trying to open those plastic ones. Anyway, this is Fennekin. Fennekin. Ta-da.
Fennekin is yellow too, just like all of us.
Actually,
Except for me. I'm not yellow, this is beige.
Okay, hold up.
I'm
I
good.
need a question. Is the sweater that NP is wearing, that's like a very like light shade of
Take
yellow,
a good look
right?
at it, you guys.
It's a very light shade of yellow.
it's a very faint shade of yellow. I agree.
It's
Thank you.
beige.
That shit ain't beige.
Ask the girls.
Is Pop's not a girl?
I don't know. I think it's. I don't
Okay,
know.
W agrees with Enfi.
Yeah.
Wisdom, I need to kick you out of my room. That's what I need to do.
Yellow, it's beige, it's not yellow.
Okay,
White
so
works.
so
Okay.
next up, I'm opening
Oh.
this one. This one is Leon.
We've got another one.
Yeah, this is a human.
Is that the
It's-
champion?
Yeah, it's Leon. He was the one that Ash defeated in the series to become champion.
Finally.
Yeah. So, actually, it would have been poetic if I opened this one after step 2, but like, nobody's really. There are no rules for this one, so I can just open whichever one I want.
Yeah.
Diddy supports. And so do we.
Yeah, I do. I totally do.
Thank you, Didi.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I don't really know much about this guy. Actually, I don't really know much about the human characters, to be honest. But like, it's part of the set, so why not, right?
I mean, he's the reason the show came to an end, right?
What's that? Yeah, after Ash defeated this guy, he no longer. The series stopped with him, and then it continued with a new set of characters, who I also have here. I'm such a nerd. But anyway. So that's Leon. And then finally this one is ta-da, Wissam.
Hey.
So it's Charizard.
What's this one called?
Charizard. So it's
Yeah. You talk about
fire
this one a lot.
fire flying type. Yep.
Mhm.
So it is, I think, very poetic because when Ash defeated Leon, this is the Pokemon that Leon chose to fight Ash. And there was a time in this series when Ash had a Charizard, but the Charizard wasn't obeying him because he wasn't like experienced enough. So when they decided to make Charizard the Pokemon that Ash would defeat with Pikachu, which is like, that doesn't happen. It's like a tiny mouse
Yeah.
fighting against a
Yeah.
huge
A tiny
dragon.
cute creature.
Hey,
Yeah,
what you mean, bro? It's thunder versus flying.
flying. That's true.
It's like
But it's
2 or 3 times more effective.
That's true, yeah. But it's like, I think it's poetic because it was like,
Oh yeah.
it showed how Ash was like totally like no longer the old noob self that he was before. It's like he actually like overcame his weaknesses, and that made him deserve to be champion. I think it's symbolic that way. But anyway, even if
Yeah.
it's,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, I agree.
yeah, you agree? Yay, I'm not
Yeah,
alone.
yeah, yeah. Absolutely. I love these things.
So this one is Charizard, fire flying. But what's funny is that in the very first games, it didn't know how to fly. It's flying type, but it didn't know how to fly. But yeah, anyway, that is the unboxing. So thank you guys for joining the unboxing.
One, are you gonna buy the X and Y version of it?
Oh, the X and Y versions?
Yeah.
Oh, the games. The games.
No, no, no. Charizard.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I have not yet. I'm going to. I'm
You
going
just
to.
gave him the idea.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yep. So that's $14. $14. Bye bye.
My bad.
It's okay. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me today, and I hope you guys the best with the remainder of your studying.
Thank you. Thank you
Hey,
for
Thank
thank you,
you.
Juan.
sharing that with
Same for
us.
you.
And I thank you for for entertaining my my childish uh, antics. Thank you.
No, thank you for entertaining us. Have a good
Exactly.
night.
How was the review, guys? How is everything going?
I mean, I'm just chilling, so I don't really have a right to answer.
It's
Okay.
I can see what you meant about step 2 one. Starting it hasn't been that much fun for the past 2 months or 1 month.
Yeah, that's true. But oh, look, we're back. But you know, it's a climb. It's really a climb. So let's continue
Indeed.
to support each other.